I've got a job for you.
What sort of job?
It's a bit of a dirty job, if I'm honest.
A bit of a dirty job?
Yeah, I need you to sort me out.
What do you mean you need me to sort you out?
When things get a bit old, a bit worn out,
Yeah.
get a bit of dust,
Yeah.
cobwebs and that.
Yeah. You need a good blow.
Need a good blow. It's one of them.
What's that one?
This is a GT Power Jet Fan 2.
The old Jet Fan 2, huh?
Yeah, this is a really nice one, it is.
Is it good at blowing?
It is very nice at blowing, but...
Go on. What? Is it
Phil,
in a box? Is it in a box?
It's in a box. This one here,
Yeah.
it's the lovely French blue, this is.
French blue, it says on the
It's
back.
a little bit of French blue. It's a bit blue, it is. But do you know what?
What?
I've already got one.
Oh, yeah.
This one is for you.
You got me a nice blower.
Yeah, because I'd like you to do all my blow
Should we
jobs.
try it? Should we try it? Oh, anodised French blue, it says here. Let's have a little butcher's. Anodised French blue.
Come on, get it out. That is
You've
nice.
got an extender, a nozzle, another. I think that one's called a spaffle. That one. And that one's called a spoffle. So you've got a nozzle extender, a spaffle, and a spoffle. You've got a charge lead, of course. And here she is. The old.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's bad, boy. That is. That's got some weight to it.
Yeah, hasn't it?
It's got some girth to the handle. It's got some girth. Should we give it a go?
Go on then.
Okay, so it's got a little.
Go on, give me a blow. And that is where you get it from, basically.
There you go.
Yeah.
So, GT Power, give yourself a nice blow with one of those. Talking about blows.
We should play a game, because I've got my blower. Now, your one, that's very pretty.
Should we have a blower wars?
Let's have a blow off, shall we?
I'll be honest with you. This RC thing is getting stupid now. And
Mine's bigger than your one. And talking about girth,
yeah,
look at that.
you got some girth there,
It's
mate.
a big handle. Your one's almost like it's gone cold and it's got all blue in it, whereas mine is just...
Yeah. But, you know what? I think
Yours
that'd
is
be
more
pretty handy,
portable.
that.
Anyway, I've got competition. Turn it off, boss.
Oh.
Anyway,
You know,
silly.
I do worry sometimes because this started off as an RC channel, an RC racing channel, and now we're getting things like that. Ain't we?
This is important now because you're a pro driver. You need to have all the
Would you
gizmos
stop with a
and
pro
all the
driver
gadgets.
thing? I'm going to clubs now and people are coming up to me and they're going, "Oh, here comes older pro driver." It's getting on my nerve because I ain't a pro driver, am I?
Well, do you know what? I go to clubs, and when I'm there,
Yeah,
because
what
I'm a
happens?
YouTuber first,
Yeah.
I make videos
Yeah.
when I go racing.
Yeah.
I haven't been racing this week. Did you go racing this
Yeah, I
week?
did go racing this week.
Looking forward to seeing the video of that one.
I went to Hearts because we're now members of Hearts RC Club, and I have been working on my racing, and I actually won the B final this week.
Can't wait to see the video, boss.
Well, that's the thing, because I was very busy. You see, you know why I'm trying to get good, yeah?
Yep.
You can't get good and film stuff at the same time. So I filmed. How many minutes did I get? I think I got 9 minutes. I got 9 minutes because I was busy.
Our viewers want to see us race, boss.
Anyway,
they want to see you race. They want to know about your car
setup.
setup. They
I
want
can
to know
tell
all these
them the
things.
car setup. The car setup is.
Or you won the B final.
Yeah.
You won the B final, but no one's got any video evidence.
No one's got any video. Anyway, forget that. So yes, we've been doing that. We've got the Popalong GP up and coming. The rosettes are for winners, seconds and thirds. That's going to be a really good event. By the time this video goes out, it may well have
already
already
happened.
happened.
However,
What?
That Popalong Rally. This is
The Popalong Rally. Popalong
Rally. I think it's going to be the biggest rally event in the UK ever. Loads of people. But do you know what?
What?
I think we need to do another event.
We do need to do another
I created
event.
this little infographic, I think they call it.
Yeah.
And I thought it'd be really good if we could do a Popalong Rally. Mm-hmm. But maybe we could do like a Popalong Vintage GP.
A Popalong Vintage GP, like a proper GP,
like a proper one.
Proper
but
racing.
It's all off road. I want to do something on road as well. So maybe we can try, if possible, if there's enough interest and enough clubs out there that want to help support us, maybe we could do 3 events this year: Popalong Rally, Popalong Vintage GP, and a Popalong on road. Now the on road, I've been thinking about it. Now,
what are you thinking?
We could do it outdoors, but that's trying to squeeze 3 into the summer. So maybe we should do an indoor GP, and I've got these little tyres here, right? I'm going to tell you all about these tyres. They're very special tyres.
I saw that. I've been holding these contact tyres. These are Schumacher contact tyres, right?
Contact tyres. Now, these ones are very special because they are black tyres with a lovely purple line on them.
But these ones got it as well, the front.
So the purple line means it's a control tyre, boss. And this is a control tyre for a new race class coming to the UK. Now these tyres are used...
Hang on, whoa.
Whoa.
You know what I'm getting? I'm getting an element of control.
Well, I'm going to control myself.
I would. Hey, you know, puts them things in the tyres and that, don't you?
I do. We met him once, didn't we? We watched the man at work.
We watched the man at work.
He was a master.
He's a master.
Craftsman.
And you know we're talking about. That's right. It's the one and only Mr. Matthew Tunks. If you don't know him, I don't know where you've been, whatever. But he's the guy behind the tyres. I'm sure he might have some other people helping him. You know,
he's the tyre guru.
He's the tyre guru.
Anyway, can I finish? Anyway, new race class, running control tyres. These are control tyres in the US for their GT12 class because they actually use LMP cars to do their GT 12s or something like that. It's very confusing. There's too many classes. But LMP is going to have a support class which kind of bridges the gap from minis to LMP, and it's going to be, I think it's the LMP GT3 or something like that, using control tyres. Maybe.
Pick that up, that combo you got there, the Just Stock combo.
The Just Stock combo.
So it's also going to be using a Just Stock kind of blinky combo, isn't it?
This is the XR10 Just Stock, cheap ESC.
Yeah.
And then 25.5 turn motor.
Running a 2S LiPo, which I actually think is really good.
Which means we can use our LiPos from our buggies, isn't it?
Exactly. I think that's the thing, you see, because I have got, some of you might have seen it, I have got an LMP car. It's the Eclipse 4, I think it is. So it's been superseded twice now, but it's still a really good car, and I really enjoy. I haven't raced it, I've just used it, okay? So
and I think you convert that into one of these.
I'm up for that.
And it's going to be competitive, because it's not going eyeballs out. Those tyres are for you, boss.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Meanwhile, I have got a Schumacher Atom 3, which is a GT12. Now, in order to get my GT12 up to par, I need to get the wheels. But the rear axle on the GT12 doesn't allow these wide wheels.
Right.
So I've got some modifications to make.
Spend a bit of money, but the boys over at Schumacher are going to help you out, aren't they?
Well, I've been on the phone. No, I've been on the old internet. And the main man over there who designed the cars has been consulted, Mr. Murray.
Go on.
and I've got a shopping list of all the things I need to do to turn my Atom 3 into LMP.
Well,
style spec.
I am well up for doing that.
Cool.
And what? It's just come to me. What came to you?
The on-road GP indoor.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Go on.
It could be Popalong foam party because they're running foam tyres.
Hang on.
We could have minis, LMP GT12, LMP GT3s. We could foam party, mate. Foam party.
Popalong foam party.
Where can we do it?
LMP, GT, this GT thing, like
Minis,
what you just said. I'm just repeating what you just said.
Jokers, all that.
All right, if you've got any ideas where we can run it, put it in the comments. Who wants to support the Popalong foam party?
Oh.
The thing is, when you say foam party, I'm thinking, you know, party on the beach with the with some of
the old foam machines.
foam machine and the
loud music.
The loud music and the
But you know what? It won't. It'll be it won't. It'll be
middle-aged men
in a hall, maybe a hot hall, sweaty old men in a very hot hall.
I don't know what I prefer these days, to be
with
quite
toy
honest. I
cars.
probably do prefer that than going to phone parties and trying to mix it with the youth of today, because we
can't mix it with the youth on the track either. They're too fast for us.
They are very fast. Yeah, they are very fast. Yeah,
very good.
So, bit of a waffly old video, this one, isn't it? But
It
there's
is,
a couple of good bits that come out of it. So, new class, Popalong GP, Popalong Rally. What else did we discuss in this video?
Blowers,
getting a blow.
Brilliant.
And on that note, I think we should end this video.